How to make a single crochet decrease and invisible decrease. Abbreviated DEC and INV DEC. Start by inserting your hook into a stitch, then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 single crochet decrease. Try that 2 more times. Now the invisible decrease. In the next stitch, insert your hook into the front loop only. Now insert that same hook into the next front loop only. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining loops. Let's do that 2 more times together. Be sure to turn your work right side out.